Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're talking about Model Y today. Model Y. Everyone loves how they're chrome deleted. There's only one problem: the T's, front and back. They have holes in the front trunk and the rear tailgate. So we are going to start a service up where you send us your original ones and we're going to send you a set of painted. So these are bright Tesla red. We're going to show you how to install them, how to remove them. And then you're going to send us your original ones back. We're going to clean them up, we're going to sand them down, and we're going to paint them and sell them to somebody else. So again, we're putting on the bright Tesla red today on our Model Y. Hi, it's Mark. I'm shooting a little addendum here to make this more clear or clearer about the preparation. So what I'm going to do is use the painter's tape, and before you remove your original chrome plated aluminum tee, I'm going to show you how to tape it up. That way there's no question about location and putting everything back when you receive ours. So here we go. So as you can see, this is again the red painted tee, and I have applied something different to be a little creative. I put a black satin decal over the front. So we give these away free on our website. It is illegal to sell the T decals. We give them away for the Model 3, Model S, Model Y, and Model X. Any order you place, you get them free. But anyway, this is what you want to do with the tape. You should put the tape at the very tip and go right next to the edge and right next to the top. This will ensure it's not crooked one way or the other, if that makes sense. Because remember, when you put the post through, you still have wiggle room. And also the arch. You want to make sure you put it right back, exactly squared up. So this will be much easier. We should have actually filmed it this way. But if you put it right at the top and right on the edges, you'll be able to put the fishing line underneath it, and you won't get any scratches on the sides because the paint is soft. Of course, we know Tesla paint, California paint, EPA. It's a very soft clear coat. Okay, to remove your tee from your hood, you're going to use the fishing line that we sent you in your packet, and you're simply going to be taking off the original chrome tee, which is red in this case because we're just going to do this for demonstration. So you don't want to scratch your paint. We recommend putting some tape around it if you haven't done this before, but if you have, it's very easy. You're just going to hook underneath one end and pull slowly. Now this is coming off very easy because it's been reinstalled. So you're going to have to work it back and forth, up and down, and pull as you go. And the double-sided adhesive tape, most of it should remain on the tee. Some will be left on the car. And don't forget, when you mark this, it's going to tell you exactly where to put the new one on. So install the tape like we show you in the next clip that we already shot out of order. Anyway, when you take off the base, you have to be careful because right here is the pin that you're going to push through the hole. So only go this far down, then start from the bottom. And alignment really is not a problem as well because you only can put it in one place, and that's where the holes are. So see, now I'm going all the way up here, and then that should do it all the way around, and then you just pull the tee off. So it's going to come off this simple. You're going to have 2 alignment holes. Then you're going to use some alcohol to clean this up, rubbing alcohol, isopropanol. And then the tees we give you, you're going to put right down on top, just like we already shot. That's it. That's a quick and easy removal. Use any kind of fishing line. Tape it up so you don't scratch the paint. This has all been wrapped with paint protection film. So this is bulletproof. This will heal even if I took a wire brush to it. So if you're interested, wherever you are, look into Clear Bra paint protection film to protect the surface of your car. Scotchgard Pro by 3M is the best. That's all we use. Thanks again, and now you know how to take the tee off the front, repeat in the back, and don't forget, don't break these tabs off or we won't be able to accept your core charge as refundable. We have to be able to repaint it and ship it out to someone else. Thank you. Okay, now you have your car all prepped, all cleaned up, and you have your two holes, which are going to ensure perfect alignment. And again, of course, the curved one is for the trunk, so that'll go on last. And this is the front. So when you get this from us, you're simply going to peel it off the paper. It's going to be stuck to this paper, and you're going to put it right down over the center, so you can get a low angle if you want. And you'll see you line up the two posts and place it straight down. We recommend that there is going to be a lot of leeway, so you still want to be careful. You still want to make sure you know for a fact that you are dead center, but you also want to make sure that when you put it down all the way, that it looks perfect. You have a little bit of time to adjust it left and right. When it looks like it's perfect, just push it down, and the double-sided tape will adhere to your paint. In this case, we have Clearbrawl paint protection film on this whole car, so that's why we removed it. And don't push too hard. You know, the paint is new, so you just want to press lightly. Now for the arch, same thing. You want to just peel it off. It's going to be stuck down here really well, and you want to place it down on the car and put it down on one side and get it really close to the T, like this, and then lay it down on this side. Center it while you can, and then drop it straight down. And if you notice you're off a little bit, just slide it to the side a little. And once you press it down firmly, you'll have about 36 hours before this VHB tape bonds, and that's it. So again, we are going to be selling these the way we get them from Tesla. We're simply going to be painting them satin black to match the standard Model Y Chrome Delete, or beautiful red, or maybe even custom colors. So let's move over to the back and do the tailgate. Okay, again, we want everyone to understand that when we get these from Tesla, there's a top cover and a back cover. So they're really easy to put on. You just peel this off, and the double-sided tape goes straight on the car. So this is how they install them up in Fremont. But what we're going to do is leave this backing on, and we're just going to change the color for you. So I hope that makes sense. So again, it's going to be really sticky, and we're going to find a way to sand these down, primer them, and paint them black, and it's going to look great. Again, this one's already done, so let's take the same precaution, and you're going to just peel it off the way I just peeled off that one. And you're going to hold it in your hand, and you're going to line up the two posts and put them right over the holes, and then you know you're dead center. Then stand back over my shoulder, and see, here's the leeway. You got a little bit of leeway left and right. Just let it point straight down right there, and it is subjective, and then apply pressure. That's all anyone's going to do to install these and really have chrome deleted tees. Okay, the next thing is the arch. Same thing, just hold it in one hand all the way on one side, line up this side, lay it right there, hold it down, put the other side down. If you want, you can of course put some masking tape around it and making sure you're in the exact position. But again, we've installed lots of these with our Chrome Delete packages where we paint the tees, and that's it. The bright red Tesla tee is on. Apply some pressure sensitive adhesive tape, and then the dual motor badges. They're chrome as well. They've already been taken off, and we sell replacement badges for that. That's it. Once you do that, your beautiful Model Y Chrome Delete will be done. And again, satin black or red. And we've got about 20 pairs. We're going to start painting them and put them on the website. And the accents sure look great with the red. The performance calipers, red tees, and red front tee. Thanks again, and more videos to come. RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories.